In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward entire conversation. We're going to walk through this in Outlook on the web so you can quickly share an entire email thread without copying and pasting. Forwarding a conversation is useful when you want someone to see the full back and forth, including the context leading up to the latest message. First, open your web browser and go to outlook.live.com. If you're prompted to sign in, do that as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll see several Outlook apps along the left side or top navigation. Choose Mail to open your mailbox. This brings you to your main email view where you can access your messages and folders. Next, head to your inbox. You'll find it in the folder list on the left. Clicking Inbox loads your recent emails in the message list. Locate the conversation you want to share. If you're not seeing it immediately, remember you can scroll or use the search bar at the top. When you open a message from a conversation, Outlook typically shows the prior messages below the latest one, so you can quickly confirm you're looking at the right thread. With the conversation open, click Forward. The Forward button usually appears in the toolbar above the message, and it may also be available under the three-dot More menu if your window is narrow. When you choose Forward from a conversation, Outlook includes the message content so the recipient can follow the history. If you need to add context, place your note at the very top of the message so it's easy to read before the historic replies. Keep in mind that forwarding from a specific message forwards that message content. Earlier messages that appear quoted below will be included as part of the thread view. Now add the recipient in the To field. You can also use CC or BCC if others need to be informed, but only include people who should have access to the conversation's content. Take a moment to review the subject line. Outlook adds FW automatically, and you can clarify it if that helps the recipient understand why they're receiving this. Give the body a quick scan to ensure everything you intend to share is visible and that there's nothing sensitive that shouldn't be forwarded. When everything looks good, click Send. That's it. Your entire conversation, as shown in the message thread, is forwarded to your chosen recipient. A quick tip: forwarding the most recent message in the thread generally captures the complete context, making it easiest for the recipient to follow along.